Hi everyone. Today I am going to teach you a simple strategy that is extremely profitable. As you can see, with this strategy, you could make a profit from the Bitcoin price movement today. Even when the market is down, you can make a profit. Watch this video to the end, to tell you the secrets of this strategy. If you are ready, let's go. You can use this strategy for both crypto and forex. You can also select the time frame from 5 minutes to daily. My suggestion is 15 minutes. In this strategy, we only trade in the direction of the trend. Because the trend is our friend and helps us make more profit with less risk. To do this, we add a moving average exponential to the chart. From the settings of this indicator, we set the input number to 100 and change its color to white to see better. When the price is above the moving average, we say that it is an uptrend. And when the price is below the moving average, we say it is a downtrend. Now we add a second indicator to the chart to tell us when to enter the trade. The second indicator we need to add is the MACD. We do not need MACD and signal lines, so I will delete them to make the chart cleaner. We only use histogram bar charts. We enter the buying position when the histogram bar charts come from below the zero line to the top of the zero line. That is, the color of these histogram lines changes from red to green. And to enter the sell position, the color of the histogram bar charts must change from green to red. Now it's time to combine the MACD and the moving average to see the magic result. Here, when the price is involved with the moving average, we do not enter the trade. Wait for the price to move completely above or below the moving average. Now here, the price is above the moving average. Follow the MACD until the histogram bars change color from red to green. Here are the conditions for entering the buy position. We open a buy trade. And as you can see, we made a profit, more than 4.5 times the risk we made. That is, if we risked $100, we would make a profit of $465. To enter the sell position, first, the price should be below the moving average. In the next step, we should check the MACD histogram to change from green to red. When the conditions are met, we enter into a trade. We simply get our profit from the market. Now I will show you a few more examples and complete our strategy and tell you where to put take profit and stop loss. You can see that there is an uptrend here and the color of the histogram bars has changed from red to green. We open a buy trade. Place the stop loss below the previous floor and set the take profit to 2 times the loss limit. You will see that a few hours later, this strategy again offers us a new buying position. Both trades are closed with a profit. You can have different strategies for placing take profit and get more profit. If you ask me in the comments, I will make an additional video about this in the future. For a sell position, you see that there is a downtrend here and the color of the histogram bars has changed from green to red. We open a sell trade. Put stop loss on top of the previous peak and set take profit 2 times the stop loss. Important note. Where should we not enter a buy or sell position? If you do not want to lose your money, pay attention to these points. Before we continue, to support this channel, like the video. I teach you a profitable trading strategy every week, so subscribe to the channel and enable its notification. When the price is below the moving average, even if the color of the histogram bars changes from red to green, we do not enter the buy position and only look for the sell position. When the price is above the moving average, even if the color of the histogram bars change from green to red, we do not enter the sell position and only look for the buy position. Thanks for watching this video. I am waiting for you next week.